So you want to make your photos more private? You can easily hide one or multiple photos on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, and here's another cool trick. You can even hide your hidden album too. So first you have to open up your Photos app, and now here tap and hold on a photo. You will see an option called Hide. You can also hide it by opening up a photo, then tap the three dots in the corner and choose Hide Photo. And now if you want to hide multiple photos at once, go back and select all the photos you want to hide. Then tap the three dots at the top and choose Hide from here. Now to see your hidden photos, go to the Collection tab and scroll down to Utilities, and here you have to tap on Hidden. But if you don't see the hidden album here, don't worry, just go to Settings, search for Hidden Album, and make sure Show Hidden Album is turned on from here. And now back to your Photos app and see your hidden album is pop up. But if you don't want to show it, just turn off this Show Hidden Album from Settings. But I turned this on, and now back to my Photos app, and now open up your hidden album, and now you have to unlock it with your lock screen password or Face ID to view them. That's it. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.